Hey guys, it's Tim here with Goat Reviews, and today we're going to be taking a look at this wax warmer kit with melting spoon, and we're going to be giving it a test run and also having a look at the construction of the materials. And we'll show you how to get a perfect stamp just like you see here. So let's take a look at the spoon first. The handle is made of wood, I've got the blue coloured one, and the spoon itself is made of metal. And onto the little warming base, also made of the same blue wood with a little metal inlay here. So it's got two air intakes at the side so that when you light a candle, it will be able to get oxygen. And underneath you have the base, in which is the perfect size for a candle. So I do have a tea candle on hand here, which we're going to light up and give this a test. Now, as you can see, I've cut some off my little wax stick here, and it is now resting in the spoon. Ideally, they'd be cut up a bit smaller so it will melt easier, but we'll see how we go with this. So I'm just going to take my little tea candle, light this one up, and we'll put the base down over the top. Should be the perfect size, yep. And I will put the spoon on top, and I will see you shortly once this has melted. Alright guys, we're back, and it's been a couple of minutes, and it looks like all of the wax inside is a liquid now, as you can see. Alright, so guess what? It's Christmas Day, and I'm on my way to a Christmas party, and I've got a few envelopes that I need to wax seal before I go. So we're going to do a bit of a test run on one of these envelopes, and I do also have a stamp which we're going to use to test and see how we go. So let's give this a pour. We don't want to get too much, just sort of enough to cover the stamp. Okay. Yeah, that should be perfect. Okay, we'll just catch that last drop. Okay. So now we're going to get our stamp, give it a press, and that should be about ready. So we're going to take the stamp off now. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look wonderful? Yep. Looks like a letter off Harry Potter or something with that, doesn't it? So there you have it, guys. This little wax heater and melting spoon has really done the trick. So, who might like to buy this product? Well, if you're someone who likes the idea of making your gifts that little bit different and adding a personal touch by doing a wax seal, this is certainly a really cool product. So overall, this wax melting spoon has been a really interesting experience. Thanks for watching, and take care. Now for all my loyal viewers and subscribers, you guys are legends, and I hope you liked the video. I've left a link to the item for you below, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.